This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Joe Folsom. Immaculate shows like a new home. Split floor plan 3-bedroom 2-bath single-story Craftsman style ranch home with private wooded setting in upscale gated community. Spacious outdoor living/dining covered porch overlooking professionally designed and maintained landscaped yard. Gated community only minutes from downtown Ellijay with many dining and shopping options. Perfect for primary residence or second home about an hour north of Atlanta in the North Georgia mountains. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Folsom at 770-722-5098.